Hey, what up, cuz? I'm trying to buy that time travel.
Oh, I got you, fam. 300 bang bang sosa. We finna go back in time 65 million years. Check out this young time travel machine, Holmes.
Man, want some tunes?
Of course, yo. What is this?
Oh man, I'm sorry, wrong song. How about this?
Yeah, that's Gucci. Let me show you some real tunes. Here's them real elevator tunes, yo.
Alright, cuz. Y'all, cuz, I think we're here, man.
Yeah, bruh, we here.
Alright, let's go.
Yo, man, you step off this path, ish go down.
Man, what will happen? This some sketch trill.
You step right there, and ish go down.
Ish go down.
Man, let's go shoot us a dinosaur.
Oh, look, there it is.
Oh, man, you wanna shoot it?
Nah, man, this some sketch stuff.
No! No! It's coming! We gotta go back! Zion. Alright, we back, cuh.
Wait, it smells like my Friday nights.
Why is the English messed up?
Top of my lifestyle.
Wait, sir, who's president?
Hillary Clinton.
No!